Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I filmed a favorites video, so shout out to It's MJ because here on YouTube, that is, Maria. I was talking to her on Instagram and I love watching favorites videos and I used to film them and I really liked filming them, but I mean, nobody ever showed them no love, and I was kind of telling her like, yeah, like I used to do them, but then I stopped, and she would just reminded me that like I did it for me, I do it for me, I film what I like to film because usually it's what I like to watch at the moment or it's what I'm into. So I'm just gonna do it because it's been a minute, and she reminded me that not all videos get views, but you do it because it's what you like and what you're passionate about. So I'm here to share with you, I don't know if I'm gonna call it a June favorites because I know very well it is July 1st right now. Or is it the 2nd? I think it's the 2nd. Yeah, it's July 2nd. So I don't know if I'm gonna call it a June favorites or a summer favorites, but these are the things that I've been loving at the moment. They're random. I have some clothes, some makeup, some skin stuff, so let's just get into it. I think I'm going to start with the makeup. So in the summertime, I love, first of all, I love makeup, but I love blush, and I feel as I can't talk, or I'm excited, one or the other. I feel like blush is so underrated. Not a lot of people talk about it, and I feel like not a lot of people use it, but I love it, and I love it year round, but especially in the summertime. And I tend to go a little bit more like bright in the summer just because I feel like, first of all, like with a tan, I just like it, and I like that sun-kissed kind of look, like where it looks like you got a little bit of a sunburn. So I'm going to start with the most crazy blush. Actually, no, let me start with what I'm wearing right now. This is a Fancy Face blush. So Fancy Face is a Canadian brand. You should check them out. She's a makeup artist. She's had her artistry all over magazines, and I love her work. So, and I love her as a person, so I don't mind supporting her company. This is the blush called Rosé OK. P.S. I'm not sponsored or anything. Like, who am I? It's what I like. So this is called Rosé OK, and it's literally like a true, it's what I'm wearing right now. It's a true like pinky. It's not too cool tone, it's not too warm tone. It's a true like baby doll pink shade. This is what it looks like, true to color. And it's literally so pretty. I'm wearing it now when I want a little bit more of like a Barbie kind of youthful look. Not Barbie, but you know what I mean. It's really pretty, like baby doll pink blush, and I love that. And like I said, I tend to go a little bit brighter in the summertime just because it gives you like that nice youthful look, I feel like. So I'm wearing this right now and I love it. I will say the packaging of this looks small. It looks like the size of an eyeshadow, but the pans are really deep. So if you look at like the actual amount of product in there, it's a good bang for your buck. So don't be thrown off by the size of the pan. And the color itself is really good. The formula is really good. I can compare it to like the MAC. This is comparable to the MAC blushes, and it's really nice. Next up, this one looks scary. This is a Makeup Forever blush. I'm gonna leave the name of it right here because I have it over there. If you know, Makeup Forever has like numbers and dashes, so it's really hard for me to know. And it comes by itself in the pan, and then you buy like the compact separately. This color, it looks scary, right? It's like a true like orange melon shade. It's not like a really bright orange. It's almost like, yeah, like an orange melon, but it is bright. If you have a deeper skin tone, this will look gorgeous on you. And I think it looks nice on me too, but I'll show you how I use it. So it looks scary, right? And if you swatch this, you will be scared because like, look, she's there. She is bright. But I'll show you what I do. So it looks really scary, but what I do is basically, I just like, can you see what I'm doing? Tap my brush in 2 times, first of all, dust it. And then I always, every time I'm doing my blush, I'll just kind of like put some at the back of my hand. I'm wearing a different blush right now, but I'm just gonna put this over top. And then I just kind of, you know, I build it up so it's not like too crazy. This is where I put my blush because I feel like when you dust it over your nose, it gives you like that sun-kissed look. And I take it a little higher to give you like that, like a sunburn kind of look. I don't know, I like that. So yeah, how cute is that? How pretty. This is just a tiny amount, but see how it just adds life, and now it looks like I got some sun, which I like, because I really don't get that much sun, because I'm trying to age well. But yes, this blush is so nice. Don't be scared of darker colors. Just dust them at the back of your hand and build them up, like go in small amounts and build them up. And like I said, if you have a deeper skin tone, this will look phenomenal on you. I could never wear this in the wintertime, but for the summer, I've been loving this. And then last blush, this is a cream blush, and this is Fenty Beauty Strawberry Drip number 5. I do really like cream blushes. Sometimes I'll wear them like on their own when I'm not wearing makeup. I'll just use my finger and kind of like give myself a little bit of life. So this is this color. Again, it looks scary. I think it's like the second brightest, and it's like this I would describe as like a coral, pinky coral. That's what it looks like. I'll put it next to this blush to see. So if you can tell, can you tell? One is definitely more pinky, but it like literally is sheer. You can really sheer it out. And it's just so pretty. You can wear it by itself, or you could wear it, sometimes what I do, especially in the summertime when you're sweating, you need your makeup to last a long time, I'll put it underneath my cream products just to like be a base, and then I'll put like my pinks and my peach blushes over top, and it will just help it like stay longer. So next up, let's talk foundation. So actually, I've had some people ask me recently what foundation I'm using, and I go between two, sometimes the Urban Decay one, but for the most part, in the summertime especially, I love this Beauty Blender foundation. Mine's a little dirty, and actually, I literally just finished this today. It's done. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce, and I use the shade 3.25 when I'm pretty pale. This is like a winter time pale shade. But I love this foundation. It's pretty full coverage. I would say it's like medium to full coverage. Definitely it could be built up to full. And it is more of a matte finish. So I really like it for summertime, so that if you're sweating, like I just feel like because it's a matte finish, it lasts longer. But it's not like so matte where it's super drying. I don't find it clings to like any dry skin. It doesn't make your skin look dry. It's a really nice formula. I really like this, especially for when I want my makeup to last a long time and in the summertime. Next up, what I use to take off my makeup. This is the Drunk Elephant Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. I literally love this stuff. First of all, I love the packaging. I love how thoughtful it is because it's magnetic, so you don't have to worry about losing the spoon, because I would lose this 100%. And I did use this every time because I feel like it's much cleaner than like sticking your hand in there. So basically it's just like oil-based jelly cleanser that you like take some out, and it takes away all of your makeup. So you just use it on a dry face, and it kind of, you rub it in like a lotion, and it helps take it all off. And I love how convenient it is. It works really well on all of my makeup, my eye makeup, my face, my liquid lipstick, anything. And I'm literally almost done. Could you see? I have a tiny bit, maybe 2 uses left. Okay, maybe a little bit more, but I'm almost done, and I will buy a new one. But I don't know, because someone was telling me to try the pharmacy one, because apparently that's really good too. But I really did love this. I love this for taking off my makeup. I just find it so convenient, so easy, and it takes off everything, even if you're wearing a lot of makeup, like me, most of the time. Sometimes I don't wear makeup, but when I do, when I'm wearing a full face of makeup, this is what I use. If I'm not wearing, because I don't always wear makeup, but this is more so like if I'm wearing a full face of makeup, I love this. Now, lotion. This is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I use this year round, but especially in the summer, I love the smell of this. I talked about the body mist recently in my summer fragrance video. I love the smell of this. This is like a gourmand lover's dream. It smells creamy, nutty, sweet. This smells phenomenal. I'm not gonna lie, when I first bought it, I bought it strictly for the smell. But also there's a tiny bit of like shimmer. You can't see it in the cream, which is weird. But when you put it on your body, there's like a tiny bit of like micro shimmer in here, which looks really nice in the sun, like when the sun hits it. So I love this. I've been loving this for the summer. It just makes your skin look really nice, glowy, and it smells phenomenal. And the smell does linger on your skin, so you can smell it throughout the day. And then last but not least, let's talk a couple fashion items. So let's start with what I'm wearing. I've been loving, in the summertime, I like loose graphic or like any kind of tees really, but like loose ones that are just, they're not clinging to you. So I get most of mine this one, and I'll show you this one. How cute is that? It's so adorable. I get them huge. So I think my true size would be like a small or an extra small if I wanted it to like fit my body. But I usually go for like a medium or a large when I want it to be really big. I think this one's a medium and that one's a large, and they're both from H&M. I love H&M's t-shirts. First of all, I feel like the quality is surprisingly pretty good, and the price is amazing, so you can't go wrong. They have always dropping like new patterns and styles, and they're so affordable. So don't sleep on H&M. I love their t-shirts. It's pretty much where I get most of my t-shirts, because I think they're like, they range from like $12.50 Canadian to like maybe $19 Canadian, and they're so cute, they're so affordable, they wash pretty well. I'll insert a picture of me wearing that Minnie Mouse one, but I got so many compliments on that t-shirt and I love it, and it was literally like probably 15 bucks from H&M. So I love H&M for their t-shirts. And my last favorite is a pair of shorts. So if you don't know, I'm petite but a little bit curvy, bottom heavy, and I usually hate denim shorts or shorts in general. I just find them super unflattering. So I don't, like, I wear them because you need to, because it's hot, but I never really felt good in shorts until I discovered this specific pair of shorts. So these are from American Eagle, and I believe these are called the Boyfriend, 90s Boyfriend fit. This is what they look like. I have this same style but in different colors, and they're all a little bit different, but they're all the Boyfriend fit jeans. Boyfriend from American Eagle. They're all a little bit different. They come in different colors and stuff, and I have, I think, 4 pairs, but they all fit phenomenally. So if you're not even just petite, if you're curvy and a little bit bottom heavy and you want a pair of jean shorts that are super flattering, they're high-waisted and they come a little bit longer because I do not like my butt cheeks to be out, okay? So these come a little bit, they come high-waisted, so they go over my belly button, but keep in mind I'm petite, so I have a small torso. But either way, they're high-waisted and they come long enough. These ones are super distressed, so if you don't like that, they do have other patterns. I'll try and insert pictures too, because I've taken pictures in them, and I got so many DMs. I've never gotten so many DMs on where I got my shorts. And these are the 90s Boyfriend shorts from American Eagle. They come high-waisted, they come longer at the bottom. All of them are the same. They're all a little bit different, but they all come longer at the bottom so that your booty's not out, and I love that. I love these. I just find them so flattering, and I finally feel like comfortable and confident in a pair of denim shorts, so I love them. These ones are the most distressed out of all of them. But so if you don't like that, just go for one of the other colors. But I personally love them, and I find them like so cute and trendy, but not like trashy, because I don't want to be walking with my kids and my bum be out, you know. So I love those, and they're pretty affordable. And also, just be warned, I did go with I had people asking me when they asked me what shorts I was wearing, they asked me what size they should get. I got my true size, which is, I wear a size 6. I got my true size 6, but just know that these are like rigid denim, so there's no stretch in them. So just be warned, like if you don't want them to be too tight, then you might want to size up. I got my true size 6, and they start off like maybe a tiny bit tight, but with rigid denim, you know, like the more you wear them, they stretch out the longer you wear them. So, and you're not supposed to wash them like too often, or as often. Obviously don't be gross, but anyways, that's all my favorites. I hope you guys liked it, and I'm not gonna lie, it was nice to film the favorites video again. So if you guys are new, be sure to subscribe, like my video. It helps me get it out there, and I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.